Hello, in this video I will show you how you can create an Oauth app for a Slack integration using RapidForge. So let's go and do some steps first. So one of the first things that we need to do first, and this is like we can make as a general case, that you have to create an Oauth application in the target platform. So in our case, it's a Slack. So I already created this application. One of the things that you need to be careful about is just to fill the callback address here, which is in my case, when I create OAuth app, is this one, but it will depend on your configuration of your RapidForge instance. And another thing is that you add the scopes that you want here. And one last thing that I figured is to invite your application into your channel. So here, if you come to your channel, you're going to come into integrations, and I invited my test app into my channel. So once we've done these things, now we can go back and fill the information to create obtain the access token. So here I'm just going to show you basic information. If you come here, so they have the client ID. I'll have the client ID. I will name my credential as a Slack application. You will have the client secret. The scope is here. I think scope was, I will have to do chat right and the comments. There we go. So it was somewhere here, but I couldn't find it now. And these two links are very important, and it will depend on the documentation of the target platform. So I find this is for authorize, and you will need to get another one, authorize, and somewhere here you will have to access. Unfortunately, there's no easy way, and it depends on the platform. So once you fill this information and you save it, the RapidForge will take us through the OAuth flow. So let's just save this. And it's asking, like, would you like to, this application will do these things. Is this okay for you? And you say allow. So what happens is we go to Slack, we make our request to a Slack platform, and Slack gives us an access token. And how we're going to reach that access token is that the RapidForge is using a naming convention. So name of the credential prefix with cred underscore. So in order to reach the access token that we saved, you have to use cred underscore Slack app. So I created an endpoint to demonstrate this quickly here. So I come here, this is the endpoint that I created, and I paste a simple bash script. So here, as you can see, this is how I am accessing my access token as an environment variable. So RapidForge is already injected this into my script. So if I just copy this URL and just go this and just, as you can see here, hello Slack. So this was an endpoint, but we can now make a slash command. So what slash command is essentially, once you do like a slash command, whatever, let's say fetch git or check something, you do an HTTP request to an endpoint. So in this logic, we can add slash commands to our test app Slack application as well.